It's a busy morning, but your garage door won't budge, and you're stuck. Don't let a broken garage door slow you down. At Oklahoma Garage Door Solutions, we specialize in garage door repair Oklahoma City and surrounding areas. Whether it's a damaged spring, a faulty opener, or any other issue, we've got the tools and expertise to get your garage door back on track. Looking for garage door repair near Oklahoma City? We're here to help, offering fast and reliable service when you need it most. Call Oklahoma Garage Door Solutions today for quick, affordable repairs.